Hello people, today is July 26th and I finally created a simple main menu for the game. I also implemented a scoring system and a combo multiplier. The ranks are D, C, B, A, and S, with S being the highest of course. The multiplier resets every time you get hit, so you have to be careful to get the S rank. I also cleaned up the animator, and so it's much more organized and will be easier to work with as the project grows. I added a blood particle effect, which looks really cool when you attack an enemy. And then I plan to add barriers that prevent you from moving on until all the enemies in the area are defeated. I also made an endpoint for the level. When you walk into it, it brings you back to the main menu. I just need to remember to enable the cursor back again when it returns. My next step is to start modeling characters and enemies for real. Right now, they're just placeholder models, but tomorrow I'll work in Blender to create the final characters and enemy designs. I think that's all for today's update. Thank you so much for watching.